So I feel energetic and my emotion also is clear.
My wife was in a very critical condition. She suffered from liver cirrhosis and she had vomited lots of blood, due to which her platelets had gone down. And my friend insisted that I should start giving her this water and see the results for 2-3 days. I started giving her this water, and after 3-4 days, when she underwent the blood test, her platelets shot up from 36,000 to 85,000, and which was a very good result. The doctors were also astonished. Even her hemoglobin and RBC had gone up.
I am a diabetic patient and also blood pressure patient, and this has definitely improved my diabetes. I'm earlier our tablets which I was taking, I've reduced it to half, and I'm not taking any more medicine for my blood pressure, because blood pressure is now coming normal without medicine.
My wife was having 4.5 hemoglobin, and before 4 months it was. Now she started taking Kangen water from last 1 month. Recently, just before 1 week, I took her report for hemoglobin. For your shock, the hemoglobin was 10.5.
And earlier it was?
4.5.
Now 3 months down the line, his claim is that his hair has stopped falling at all, and he is very happy with the machine, and the wife is not having any acidity at all, and she is very happy.
My wife is having some mind balance problem, which has been 1994 onwards. Now after we found 2003 only we found that she is having schizophrenia mental disorder, and we gave her tablets, and we undergone the medication for last 12 years. And finally I gave the water in 2016, and September I started give water to my wife, and within 8 months she drastically has changed. Now she has I have stopped all the medicines for last 7.5 months, and now more than that she is having weight for more than 113 kg. Now it has come down for 93 kg within just 7.5 months.
I was suffering from my thyroid. It was so severe that I had been to coma level. It was that much so serious. So report wise, if I want to tell you, my TSH report was 172, whereas it should be only 5. Okay, in that time I just visited all the doctors, leading and famous doctors. They simply said it is too critical to handle. I have to be under medication for a lifetime, that too high dosage medication. I don't wanted to go for any kind of medication. Being a nutritionist, I came to know about Enagic Kangen water. Meanwhile, I bought the machine. I understood this first exactly what it will going to give me, and I bought the machine from Malaysia and started drinking this water. And I have drank this water for only 1.5 months, that's all. Again, I went for a testing in the month of March 2016. It was very surprising. My TSH report has come down to 5.20. Please note this point. I had a TSH of 172. It has come down to only 5.20. It's a real great and miraculous result, I can tell you.